Hello, cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Welcome to This Week in Bitcoin, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of Bitcoin. I'm Bob.
And I'm Alice. We've got an exciting lineup of news for you this week, so let's dive right in.
First off, we've seen a significant event with the US government starting to sell off a hefty chunk of Bitcoin seized from the notorious Silk Road marketplace. This sale could potentially affect market dynamics, although some experts argue the impact might be minimal in the long run.
Exactly, Bob. Analysts are keeping a close eye on price movements, especially with this sale happening amid significant outflows from Bitcoin ETFs and just before a US administration change. It's a complex scenario, but the market has so far shown resilience.
Moving on to legislative news, Oklahoma's Senate has introduced the Bitcoin Freedom Act. This bill aims to allow state employees and vendors to receive payments in Bitcoin, reflecting a growing interest in cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation.
Speaking of innovation, there's exciting news from the Bitcoin protocol space. Newbit has launched Goldinals, which aims to unify several Bitcoin asset protocols. This could pave the way for more efficient, decentralized finance applications on Bitcoin's blockchain, enhancing its utility beyond just a store of value.
Now, let's talk about the market itself. Bitcoin is going through what's being called its first price discovery correction of 2025. We're looking at a 15% drop over the last 4 weeks, but it's relatively mild compared to historical corrections. Analysts are split on what this means for the future, with some seeing it as a precursor to a bullish rebound.
That's right, Bob. While some predict Bitcoin might hit $1.5 million by 2035, others caution about potential further drops if support levels aren't held. It's a reminder to investors to keep their eyes on both technical indicators and market sentiment.
And before we wrap up, a quick note on community efforts to combat misinformation. There was an interesting case this week where community notes on social media debunked a BBC headline, providing a more accurate picture of public sentiment towards a political figure in Ghana. This shows the power of community-driven fact-checking in the digital age.
That's all for this edition of This Week in Bitcoin with Bob and Alice. Remember, the world of cryptocurrency moves fast, so stay informed, stay safe, and keep your wallet secure.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next week, this has been Bob and Alice with BTC News.